Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss the things related to the ProjectWise. Okay, ProjectWise Explorer is a very useful tool. Okay, it's a part of BIM, we can say. Okay, so it's designed by the designed not we can say organized by the Bentley. Okay, so ProjectWise is suit for engineering project collaboration software from Bentley Systems, designed for the architecture, engineering, construction industries, AEC industries especially. It helps project teams to manage, share, and distribute engineering project content and review in a single platform. It means okay, if you have some project, so we need to send a mail to client, and sometimes we may miss. Sometimes file size is very heavy, so we need to go some other platforms. We transfer or something like that. Okay, or OneDrive or SharePoint. So better is it. So what they did, they created a single platform to share one thing and then to manage, so we can manage very easily, no need of any mails, heavy size mails, just some if you have designed something, and then it can be reviewed directly by the your manager. So that type of system they designed, and they created a common platform, so that is called ProjectWise. Okay, and then see, this is the overview of the ProjectWise Explorer. One is toolbar, and then document window, and then preview plane. Whatever the document you select, then that details can be previewed here. Okay, and then data source tree. It is like a tree type. Okay, and a number of folders. Uh, just think like that. It is a common computer. Okay, common computer or Windows Explorer type. Okay, common computer for a client, your manager, and you. Okay, whatever means person involved in the project. Okay, that is data source tree actually. Then okay, what are the capabilities? These are the capabilities. One is manage engineering work in progress with quality controls. One is manage engineering work in progress with quality controls. Okay, that's what I said. We can manage the work, whatever you are doing, that can be checked by the your manager, and then once he approves, then it will go to the second stage. So we're ready for sharing like that. Then automate PDF. Okay, you can create the PDFs for review, and then you can make markups also, and then you can collaborate with multidisciplinary design teams. Okay, now suppose you are in a highway design field. Okay, so there must be involvement of multidisciplinaries, that is nothing but structures, drainage, and utilities team. Okay, few numbers are there, so that must be connected. Okay, for integral design. Okay, so what to do? So you need some files from utilities team. For that you have to ask a mail. Okay, so then they will send it on some time. So it's better we can create a common platform. So that's what they created, a common platform. Okay, so we can collaborate directly with the multi business systems. They will keep in their specific folder, that we can take it directly. Okay, and then coordinate engineering and design details with extended team. That's what we can coordinate with the our managers. Okay, whatever the design you have designed, then that can be shared to the client also. And then create and manage project, CAD, Civil 3D, open roads, and industry standards. You can prepare a common standards. Okay, so you have some specific project standards, so that can be created here itself. So whatever the files are here, that can be linked to the your created standards. So no need of any miscommunication or misstandards. Okay, that can be clearly linked with the particular standards. That's what. And then databases, files, and documents by spatial location. Okay, that is nothing but data source tree. and then integrate design application and manage dependencies. Whatever the files are there, that must be opened with some application, and this file is must be dependent with the another file. That dependencies also you can manage it, and manage disconnected design workflows with enterprise spatial data bases. Okay, design workflows also you can manage it, and then navigate project data by spatial location. You can navigate whatever, means who edited and who reviewed, that you can navigate. And you can navigate the project data also. You can keep survey data in some folder, and then you can keep design data in some folder, as for especially civil 3D data, and then AutoCAD data, whatever. Okay, that can be spatially arranged in this project wise. Now see, engineering work in progress with quality control. That is nothing but, if you may have, you can avoid the lost data, version issues, and delays from email. All those things. These are common issues while facing, while creating a common folder. Okay. So to avoid all these things, it's a better use a project wise. These are the capabilities. Okay, and then other thing is coordinate engineering and design details with the extended team. That's what I said. Whatever the engineering data, that can be reviewed to the extended team itself. Okay, manager, and then senior manager, and then principal engineer. Okay, that type of anyone can access, and anyone can review. Okay, but there must be some preferences for review system, and what to say, for files. Okay, on access also must, you can restrict it. Okay, that is the use of this project wise. Okay, this is one screenshot. Automated PDF deliverables. You can create PDFs automatically. Okay, can you see here, 2D models and 2D sheets and 3D models, correspondence, railways general, okay, electrical engineering department. There are so many folders are there. And then create and manage project CAD and industry standards. As I said, you can create a common standards for all types of softwares. If it is open roads, you can create a particular work set and workspace. If it is a civil 3D, you can create a common template, so that everyone can able to open the file and follow the same standards. That is the main advantage of this project wise. And then integrate design application and manage dependencies. Whatever the means reference files are there, okay, that can be managed directly. No need of sending all the reference files. Okay, just you can attach it and then open the file automatically. All the xrefs will get it directly. Okay, that's what. And then navigate project data by spatial location. As I said, okay, you can manage the project data. Okay, see who modified, and then when it is modified, and which version, all those things you can navigate project data. Okay, this is what about project wise. Mainly project wise is for the collaboration. Okay, collaboration and coordination. Okay, and then creation of common standards, so that there is no mismatch of standards followed. Okay, so mainly project wise is a very useful tool. Nowadays almost all top engineering firms are using this project wise. So better you have an idea what is project wise. Okay, so first thing is, these are the capabilities, and then this is the screenshot. Okay, these are the capabilities. That's it guys. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.